In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to uninstall programs and applications on your Chromebook device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the launcher icon and then type in settings. Best result should come back with settings here. Go ahead and open that up. Select the apps button on the left panel. And then underneath apps, select manage your apps. Select the app you want to remove. And then select uninstall up at the top. Some of these apps are built into the Chrome OS, so you cannot remove them. So unfortunately, there will not be an option for that. But a number of them, you should have an uninstall button up here at the top, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.